Moretec Group is a pioneering high-tech enterprise specializing in magnetic fluid feed-through technology. Moretec Group companies are located in Shanghai, Henan Xinxiang, Taiwan, and Japan. Headquartered in Tokyo, we combine product design, machining, assembly, and sales to achieve perfect integration of business processes. Moretec not only possesses strong R&D and design capabilities, but also has advanced manufacturing technologies to provide customized magnetic fluid solutions according to customers' specific needs, including a wide range of products such as magnetic fluid feed-through, and vacuum seals. Our rigorous technology, high product quality, and stable supply can all meet customer needs. We have introduced Japanese Moretec, Okuma, and other brands of CNC lathes and machining centers, a total of 26 sets of equipment to ensure that the precision of parts processing is controlled between 0.005 mm and 0.010 mm, demonstrating a high level of machining capabilities. In addition, we are equipped with ultrasonic cleaning lines, helium leak detection equipment, and high-pressure impact test equipment, as well as instruments to accurately control the amount of magnetic fluid added to ensure the superb dynamic sealing performance and quality of products. In terms of quality control, Moretec operates in strict accordance with the ISO 9001 Quality Management System and adopts the ERP management system to monitor the entire production process, and has been awarded honorary certificates recognized by the industry. Our products are widely used in the global high-end equipment manufacturing industry, such as solar panels, OLED panels, semiconductors, and LCD panel manufacturing devices. In addition, the group constantly pursues technological innovation and product upgrades, striving to provide customers with more efficient and reliable cutting-edge technological solutions. The group's domestic and overseas branches work closely with each other to establish a perfect production and delivery system, adhering to the corporate model of quality first, intelligent future. The group conveys its core values through the spirit of craftsmanship and dedicated practice, and strives for survival and development to realize self-transcendence amidst the fierce competition in the market.